Let's recover from our pure strength session. Get out any props you like. You can keep it simple. Just lie on your back, put your legs up the wall, or join me for this static back, where we put our legs up on a chair or an ottoman or a plyo box in my case. And we're just looking for right angles where our knees are stacked over top of our hips, and our hips are generally in line with our shoulders, palms up to the ceiling, nice flat back. And we'll stay here for 5 minutes. Just focusing on your breath, giving yourself a chance to rest and digest, and to integrate all of the work you did in your strength building session. It might not feel like you did a lot because pure strength and that style of strength training doesn't feel the same as cardiovascular training. I feel that for myself in any case. And so sometimes I'm surprised that I'm actually very tired the next day. And it's often because I didn't take proper amount of time to recover. So do this with me each and every time you do your strength training sessions on this pure strength day. Focusing on your breath now. Letting go. Dropping into the floor. Releasing tension. Aligning yourself. Do a scan of your body. See where you're still holding tension. And see if you can let that go even a little bit. Really observing your breath. Really letting the weight of your body become heavy. Letting your jaw relax, face relax. And let your shoulders and hands become heavy. Legs, hips, and feet, nice and heavy. starting to wiggle your fingers, toes, circle your ankles, circle your wrists. Just making small movements, maybe opening your jaw, checking in with your face, and perhaps interlacing your fingers, bringing your arms up and overhead. Might bring your legs up into the sky and give them a shake. Really good for your nervous system to shake the legs, shake the body. Find that overhead movement, lengthening. Notice your hips. Notice the equal weight, ideally, in your two sides of your body, shoulders and pelvis. You might do a happy baby, rock side to side. You might roll yourself over to one side, just resting there for a moment. You could push yourself up into seated or perhaps even a child's pose, taking a little bit longer. Noticing the quality of your breath. Quality of the contents of your mind. And thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, keep strong, kettlebell on.